So this is the waste oil burner here. This is the pipe. Inside it's connected. It's the 3/8 copper tubing. It's a drip system here. It's just dripping oil down on that log. And currently I'm burning waste vegetable oil from a restaurant. And so basically how this is set up, free heat. And these logs don't burn. 3/8 goes up to a gate valve, which I first installed a ball valve, but not a good option, not a good ball valve is better just open close, not for regulating the flow like a gate valve is. So put a gate valve in. It's all 1/2 inch. Thing is, the system is gravity fed. It just nicks up into where I load it. I just carefully pour a little bit. I mean, this thing doesn't consume much fuel at all. I mean, you can burn like a cup of oil just dripping. You can burn maybe 1 cup per 30 minutes. Or an hour, 40 minutes, I don't know. But it's very effective. It's a very effective system. It's a lot of heat. And actually, I burned motor oil yesterday. And today I'm burning the vegetable oil. And it's burning. And the smell is definitely better. You can smell kind of a French fries type smell in the air outside. But yeah, that's the system. It's pretty straightforward and pretty simple. And I mean, 3/8 tubing was like $30. You know, the gate valve was $15. Iron pipes. That's it. You know, and I had to buy a 3/8 drill to drill a hole. Nothing. Just set it up. And then the waste oil's all free.